How accurate is your 3D printer in real life? I designed this quick printing test to compare the accuracy of your prints to most common currencies. I have 4 different configurations, one for the US using a penny, for the Euro using 5-cent coins, 1 pence or 1 penny coin from the UK, and the 5-cent coin from Australia. There's 3 different offsets, 0.1 millimeter, 0.15 millimeter, and 0.2 millimeter clearance. Put a coin in there horizontally, see how accurate it is, and through the slot to see how accurate it is in those dimensions as well. If it's a really tight fit, then you probably have over extrusion on your printer and you need to dial it in and calibrate a little bit better. Also, this hole right here should fit your standard filament with the same amount of clearance depending on each hole. Hopefully you find this useful and you're able to 3D print better fitting parts. Thank you.